welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to discuss gitstash comment, okay, and related to gitstash like gitstash pop, gitstash apply, gitstash list, many more. Okay, so basically gitstash comment is used to save your changes for temporary purpose, right? Like you want to switch to another branch. Sometime it will like show you some error message like, okay, at first now you have to save your current branch changes, then only you can move to another branch. Obviously sometimes you don't want to commit that particular changes, right? You just want to save the changes. Okay, I will come back to this branch and I will start working from that point where I have just left. Okay, you want to do this kind of things, right? So in that case you can use gitstash. Gitstash will save your changes, whatever changes you have made. It will save that all the changes and you can switch to another branch easily, and you can do whatever changes you want to do in that another branch you can do, and you can come back to your previous branch and you can just use gitstash apply, and you can see all the changes that you have made that time, all the changes, okay, and you can start working from that point while you have left. Okay, I think gitstash is clear to you. So I'll use this project to describe gitstash. Okay, so let's get started. So this is my comment prompt. So let's see at first git status. Okay, means everything is totally clear. We haven't made any changes till now. So now you can see even from VS Code also you can see your current branch like test. Okay, and even you have this git command also to see your current branch or all the branches that you have. Okay, so this green means you are currently working on this branch, okay, test branch, right? So now let's do some changes from here. Okay, so I am just making some random changes, deleting this part. Okay, delete, save. Okay, so obviously I have made some changes, so it is also showing as modified, right? So now if you see git status, then you can see your the changes that you have just made is showing like modified. And what are the changes that you have made? For that you can use git diff command. Okay, yeah, you have removed this thing. Okay, so you can do this way. So now you want to switch to another branch. Okay, but if you want to switch to another branch, before switching to another, but you want to save these changes, right? For that you can use gitstash, right? So two kind of gitstash command to save your changes, right? One is gitstash save, and then you can write some saving message like, or you can do what, only gitstash, means you can just write only gitstash without any saving message. Okay, so I will show that also, but before showing that, let's see what is showing now. So now it is showing as no, means that change that you have just made, like you have removed this part, right? Now it is not showing. Now you can okay, the thing is the changes you have made that you have in your gitstash. Okay, so now you can switch to another branch. Okay, like if you don't do gitstash or like git commit, it will show you some kind of message like, before switching to another branch you have to save your current branch changes. Okay, so that you can use git commit or git stash. Okay, it will show this kind of messages. So I have also saved my changes, right? So now I can easily switch to another branch. Okay, so I am currently in test branch, right? So now I will move to another branch, that is gitstash st. Okay, so now I can switch it to another branch. Okay, even here also I can do some changes and all, but now it is showing as modified. So like here also you can do gitstash. Okay, previously I have shown you gitstash save, right? Now I'll show gitstash only. Okay, gitstash, if you do, now it will save the change that you have made, and now it will show as unmodified, like you haven't changed or like you have removed this part, right? Now it is not showing, but yeah, obviously the changes you have made is saved on your stash. Okay, now we have made two stash, right? So you see all the stash that we have made previously, or like if you want to see all the list of stash that you have made, for that we have another stash command, that is gitstash, okay, list. So now these two stash that I have made right now, right? I think it's clear up to this, how you can save the stash or how to see all the list of stash, right? So now the main point is, okay, you can understand, okay, I have saved my changes, so now how I can apply the changes, right? That is our main concern. Not only saving, or also like using the changes, right? For that we have two stash comments. First one is gitstash pop and second one is gitstash apply. Okay, so what is the big difference between these two comments is gitstash pop will apply the changes of the current stash and it will remove that stash. Okay, because you are using gitstash pop. Okay, so what will happen now? It will apply all the changes. Okay, whatever changes is saved on that particular stash, it will apply all that particular changes on your current branch, and it will remove from the stack of lists. Okay, like obviously it is like a stack. Okay, right? So like if you are using gitstash pop, then what will happen? See, whatever changes you have made in this current stash, it will apply the stash changes and it will remove from this particular list of stash. Okay, so now if I use gitstash pop, then you will see that now whatever changes you have made, now like you have removed this thing, now it is showing, right? Means you have successfully applied your stash changes. So now if you do gitstash list, now you cannot see the change, now you cannot see this stash, right? Because it not only is applying the stash change, it is also removing from the stack. Okay, I think it's clear up to this. So yeah, so now I will move back to my previous branch, I mean by test branch. Like now I'm currently in test st branch. I want to move back to test branch. Okay, so the thing is, whatever change I have made is totally random thing, right? So I don't want to save the thing, I just want to restore my file. Okay, right? So yeah, I have successfully restored my file. So now I am switching back to my previous branch. If you can remember, in test branch also I have saved some changes, right, on my stash. And what is the stash? Is this one. Okay, so now what will happen, like if you see your branch, now it is test, right? And whatever changes that you have made in this branch, it is not showing. Like if you do git diff, now it is showing nothing. Means now you have to apply your stash changes. So previously I have shown you gitstash pop. Another way you have gitstash apply. Gitstash apply, what it will do? It will apply all the changes that I have in that particular stash, but it won't delete from the list of stash. Okay, means like I am using git. So now it is showing that changes, and it is also even showing modified. Okay, now if you see git diff, so like I have removed this thing, right? So now what you can do, you can just write gitstash list. Okay, you can see gitstash, the particular gitstash that I have made in this current branch, that is temp save, that is still present, right? And consider this as a stack. Okay, means like here we have 0 1 2 3 4 5, this number of stacks, right? But you are not specifying anything, right? You are just only writing gitstash apply, you are not specifying anything. So if you are not specifying anything, by default it will apply the topmost stash. Okay, I think it's clear, right? It is now what I will do now, I will restore my file. Okay, because I just wanted to show some more stash comments, so that's why I just wanted to restore my file. Okay, so file. Okay, so now what I can do, now I can again make some changes. Okay, I'm just removing this thing. Okay, saving this thing. So I am now doing gitstash. Nothing I am doing. Okay, gitstash, right? So now if you do gitstash list, obviously it will show that particular stash, right? So suppose if you want to apply uh, this stash, okay, not the first one, you want to apply this stash, then what you can do gitstash apply, and then you have to write stash, okay, at the rate 1. Okay, so now if you do this now, then you will see the stash changes will apply. Before applying these stash changes, let's see what we have in this particular stash changes. So for that also we have another command, that is to see that a stash changes, then you can use gitstash then show. Like if you do only this, then if you enter, then you gitstash show, it will check the first stash, in the topmost stash it will take, and it will show you all the files that are included in that particular stash. Okay, even you can do gitstash -p to see the changes. Okay, so yeah, these two comments are really helpful. Like if you want to apply some stash changes, but you want to make sure that okay, I am applying the current stash changes, for that you have these two comments. Okay, gitstash show, it will show the all the files that you have changed. Okay, like you have 1 insertion and 4 deletions and all. Okay, and also it will if you want to see the changes, okay, for that you have gitstash show -p. So this is about you want to see the topmost stash changes. Okay, but here our consideration is stash 1. Okay, so for that what you need to do now, for that you have to do gitstash -p, and then what you need to do, stash 1. Okay, you have to specify the stash number. Okay, if you do enter, now it will show you all the like changes you have made, and what is the file is home.html. Okay, same way you can apply this gitstash show, and you can just write is stash @1. Okay, now also it will okay, actually I did some spelling mistake. Now it will show you the changes of stash 1, not stash 0, right? I think it's clear. So now okay, you have seen the changes that you have made, right? This okay, okay, now in currently we don't have any changes applied. Okay, so now I will apply the stash 1 changes. Okay, so gitstash apply, okay, and then you have to specify stash @1. Okay, so now enter. Okay, now if you see git diff, then you can see all the changes. It is showing the changes we have made in stash 1. Okay, they are same, it is showing as modified, and also what is the changes we have made. Let's see. Okay, collapse. So now it is not showing that tab part, like because we have removed that particular tab part from our stash 1 changes, right? Showing that tab part that we have removed from here in our stash 1 changes, right? So yeah, in this way also you can apply any particular stash changes to any branch. Okay, I think it's clear, right? So yeah, that are the all the important gitstash comment that you have to know. The first one is gitstash apply, gitstash pop, gitstash save, gitstash only gitstash, right? If you don't want to save the stash changes with a saving message, then you can only use gitstash pop, gitstash apply. More or less gitstash apply and gitstash pop are same, But yeah, in pop you will remove that particular stash, but in apply it won't get deleted. Okay, like gitstash show, and also like gitstash show hyphen p also, right, to see that particular changes. And gitstash show, what it will show, it will only show the file that you have changed, right? So I think it's all pretty much. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, you can definitely ask me in the comment section. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.